Hi there, it's Jo here, back with another video about Oracle card spreads. This one we're using The Wild Unknown Animal Spirit by Krans, which is a real favourite of mine. We're doing the path and the obstacle, or the path, the obstacle. It's a 2-card reading, so a really simple one today. We have the dragon facing up just because he wanted to. Okay, so just so you know. So this spread is a favourite. I'm reading straight from the guidebook here. It's often used and an on-point old friend. It reveals the problem and the solution with no messing around. Use it when something has been bothering you for a while or when you're at a standstill with a creative project. It's also great when you feel down and out but don't know why. It's likely the card in the position 2, which is here, will be in its out of balance state for this reading. Reference the individual card descriptions for the guidance. So card 1 is the path, card 2 is the obstacle. Okay, so the path. And the obstacle. And it's funny because there was 2 cards both times that wanted to come out, but I'm restricting myself to 1 card because I want to keep it simple. I want to keep this in its simplest form. So now I've got card 1, the cosmic egg. Oh my gosh, I love that. The cosmic egg is the path. Wow. Thank you, cosmic egg, for coming out. These cards, oh, I love these cards so much. Not only these cards, as in the Wild Unknown Animal Spirit cards by Krans, what I do love is these particular egg cards because they talk to me about what you're working on inside, and that I absolutely love. And this card here is talking to me about what it is that I'm focusing on internally, how it has this spiritual evolution to it. It's got this spiritual involvement to it, you know, filled with all those wonderful colours of the rainbow because it's creative, imaginative, psychic, spiritual, fulfilling, you know, life fulfilling sort of thing. And it's got the 0, which is what Kim has used as a symbol of spirit. But for me, it's also that 0 of unlimited potential. So I love that as my path card. Absolutely love it. And then we have, oh wow, that's so interesting. Then we have the eagle as the thing that is my obstacle. And I find that so interesting. But what I'm really being drawn to is that this is that higher aspect of spirit. And then down here, this is really drawing me to the earth plane. But also that connection, whoa, my head is spinning. Also that connection to other is what I want to say, because eagle is that talking about that spirit connection. So I'm going to read a little bit from these cards because Cosmic Egg has challenged me just to say a little bit. A little bit, yeah. So the cosmic egg is completion, harmony, the infinite within the finite. It's the final card in the journey of the animal spirit deck, and it represents the unfolding of cosmic consciousness. This state emerges after we have tread the path for some time, and this card actually literally represents the path. And through self-effort and grace, we experience self-realization. A sense of contentment and oneness spontaneously arises within us, and the veils of our self-limiting beliefs are lifted. When the essence of the cosmic egg has not been activated within us, it feels like we may never get there, or that we travel alone, disconnected from others. I must say that I have felt that a lot. Even if our encounter with this card is brief, appearing as a momentary glimmer of flash of interconnectedness, its potent energy stays with us. The cosmic egg is a remedy for the fragmentation of modern life. It's through the power of this card that we are reminded of the cosmic contract written at the beginning. We hold on to life, and life holds on to us. And the journey is complete but does not end. It's all about the 7th chakra, the top of the head, and that kundalini energy coming up. The eagle today is challenging me being in this obstacle position, really is, because I wasn't expecting that. So the obstacle here for me is all-pervading power, truth seeker, transforms karma. The noble eagle emanates the light of the sun. This great bird is both physically and spiritually strong and represents mastery over the elements of fire and air. When the eagle appears, you'll soon be thrown into the karmic fire for the sake of your transformation. Well, that makes sense. The eagle pushes us to be our best and brightest self and stops at nothing to see us shine. Grasp the sun in your talons and hold on for the ride. You are stronger than you think, eagle child. Now that actually makes sense because it's talking about transformation, and that, you know, the challenge is that karmic fire and that transformation, because, you know, to get where I want to go, there's a lot of transformation needed, obviously. Well, not obviously, I can hear it in my throat. When in balance, this is bright, radiant, and challenges. So even if it in its positive, upright position, it is challenging because it's about stepping into the unknown. This to me also feels like it's about setting your goals or your sights on what you want. And it's not about going and getting it, because there's always that aspect of it. But this is more so knowing that you'll get it, because the eagle is already past, you know, its eyesight. It's now knowing and trusting that its body has the memory, that sort of cellular memory, that sort of the ability to do it, like from muscle memory, just, you know, going with the flow. That's the message that I'm also getting there. And again, for me, the flow is, you know, one of the challenges. So this is completely on point for me. And please, I love to hear if you're playing along with these spread readings. This today was a short one and I've actually really enjoyed it. Please let me know what you thought. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you again in the future. Bye for now.